remarketing is basically dead. For those who don't know what remarketing is remarketing is when we show an ad to people who already saw us before. Maybe they saw an ad before, maybe they interacted with an ad, maybe they watched something of a video ad, or maybe they went to the website, or maybe they purchased before. Any kind of interaction with the brand or the business before that, and we're sending ads to them again, that's remarketing. But we don't have to do remarketing anymore, because now we have Advantage Plus in Facebook ads. And what that is doing is it's for cold audiences, meaning people who don't know us. But it's also sending the ads to those people several times, because it's trying to get the thing that we're asking it to get. Like if we're asking Facebook to get a sale or a lead, then it'll try to do that. And the way it's doing that, it knows that sometimes it needs to show the ad to the person more than once. And then it's doing that. So then it's actually basically doing the remarketing for us. And it's also it also knows which people are more likely to purchase. And that is usually the people who already interacted with the business before. So it's doing the remarketing for us. And it's becoming more and more like that with Facebook ad and also TikTok ads. That the machine learning is so powerful that we have to do less and less with the settings and stuff like that, but we have to do a lot more with how the creative looks, like the picture, the video. That's the important thing. That's what we have to focus on. Hope it helps. Comment below and follow me for more.